Who makes the laws in the United States? 535 members of Congress strive to leverage their power to advance their agendas and deliver for their constituents. The Center for Effective Lawmaking, a collaboration between Vanderbilt and the University of Virginia, developed a non-partisan scoring model measuring the lawmaking effectiveness of each member of Congress. The job of Congress is passing, or at least influencing the content of bills. Until the 1990s, committee chairs dominated lawmaking in the House, sponsoring an average of 3.6 bills that became law. By 2020, however, House committee chairs sponsored only 1.3 bills that became law. What happened? After the Republican landslide of 1994, then-Speaker Newt Gingrich shifted legislative agenda power away from committee chairs and towards majority party leaders and loyalists. Both parties have continued this reform, rewarding party loyalty and electioneering instead of cultivating policy expertise.